comparison between TradingView versus MT5, which trading platform is better. When it comes to choosing between TradingView and MetaTrader 5, the decision largely depends on specific trading needs, preferences, and experience. Both platforms have their advantages, but they cater to different types of traders. Here's a comparison. TradingView is known for its intuitive, user-friendly interface. It's widely regarded as one of the most visually appealing platforms for charting and analysis. Also, MetaTrader 5 has a more traditional, somehow dated interface compared to TradingView. However, it is highly customizable and works on both desktop and mobile devices. The learning curve is steeper for beginners. TradingView offers charting and analysis tools for a broad range of financial instruments, including stocks, forex, commodities, while MT5 also covers a wide variety of assets, including forex, stocks, commodities, and futures. Its focus is primarily on forex and CFDs. TradingView's platform charting capabilities are one of its strongest selling points. It offers a huge range of technical indicators, drawing tools, and charting options that are visually appealing. While MT5 is robust in terms of charting, it doesn't quite offer the same level of aesthetic quality or versatility in charting tools as TradingView. When it comes to trading execution, TradingView is primarily a charting and analysis platform. While it allows traders to connect to brokers and execute trades, it doesn't natively handle order execution. While MT5 excels in trade execution, it's designed specifically for executing trades quickly and efficiently. Traders can place market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders with precision. TradingView offers some automation features such as alerting system based on technical indicators or price levels, and MetaTrader 5 is highly customizable, especially for automated trading. It supports expert advisors, which allows traders to automate their strategies and execute trades without manual intervention. When it comes to cost, TradingView operates on a freemium model, but MetaTrader 5 is free to use and available for download. So, choose TradingView if you are a trader who values excellent charting, market analysis, and social community features. It's ideal for those who don't need to execute trades directly on the platform. While choose MT5 if you're a forex trader or active trader looking for robust trade execution, advanced order management, and automated trading. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.